So an Arduino. An Arduino is a nifty thing that can do some really cool stuff. An Arduino is a microcontroller. What you do is you type in some code, you upload it to the Arduino, and the Arduino does what you tell it to do through the code that you uploaded. It can do stuff as simple as making an LED light up to something more complex like robotics. But getting into learning how to use one can be kind of scary. This is when a starter kit comes in handy. A starter kit is a kit that is filled with a lot of components that can help you get started with doing a bunch of Arduino projects. So I went to Lazada, and after scrolling for a bit, I found this starter kit by Makerlab Electronics, and it seemed pretty nice. So I ordered it, and a week later, it arrived. So this is a review of the Arduino Advanced Upgraded Learning Kit. Not sponsored. So starting off, the kit comes in a decent plastic case, and opening it up, you're encountered by a lot of stuff, which all seem nicely arranged, and some of them are even still covered in plastic, which is nice. So in this kit, you get firstly the Arduino, specifically the Arduino Uno. Although the one that comes with my kit isn't original, but it works just fine. But if you want to get an original Arduino, you can replace this copy with an original one just for a bit of a higher price. This kit also comes with a USB cable, an LCD, an RC522 module, a white card, a keychain, a joystick module, a keyboard, an RTC module, a water level sensor, a humidity sensor, an RGB LED, a motor driver module, a motor, a relay, a breadboard, some jumper wires, a female to male cable, a sound sensor module, a remote, a 10,000 ohm potentiometer, a single digit digital tube, a 4-digit digital tube, a matrix tube, a servo motor, some buzzers, some ball switches, some photoresistors, some switches, a 9-volt battery adapter, some LEDs, some resistors, a flame sensor, an infrared sensor, a 74HC595, and a temperature sensor. And if you don't know what any of this stuff is, it's okay. I even just read from the box. Just says what all the components are. Although, you don't have to worry, because with this kit comes a manual with a password that's attached on top of the cover of the case. And in that manual, it explains what these components do, and it also comes with a bunch of projects that use these components to help you understand what they can do and what the Arduino can do. Although this kit won't be able to teach you the more advanced stuff, like stuff with 1,000 lines of code and a robot arm that can hold your hand when you want it to. This kit can help you get a grasp of what an Arduino is and what it's capable of. Here, let me show you a project that I made from the stuff that I learned from this kit. Although full disclosure, I didn't do all the projects in the kit because some of them just had way too many jumper wires, and I just got lazy to do it. So yeah, this doesn't really show fully what this kit can teach you, but at least it can help you get an idea of what you can do with this kit. Okay, so here's the project. We have a bunch of LEDs, a joystick, a photoresistor, and a potentiometer. And here's the Arduino connected to the computer. Okay, so how this works is you control the LEDs with this joystick. So if you press up, the top LED lights up, left, down, right, and if you click it, the red LED lights up. Oh yeah, fairly simple. And if we turn off the light, the LEDs turn on. And with the joystick, you can turn off the LEDs. You can't see it, but that's what I'm doing. So yeah, that's about it. That's the project. Oh, and if you're wondering why there is a potentiometer, it's because the kit didn't come with 10,000 ohm resistors, and since this potentiometer is 10,000 ohms, it works fine with the photoresistor. Okay, let me just correct myself there. The kit did actually come with 10,000 ohm resistors, I just thought they were two 20 ohm resistors since they look so alike. So yeah, my bad. Sorry about that. So yeah, I think buying this kit was totally worth it. I suggest you buy a starter kit if you want to start fiddling with Arduino. Bye.